Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to flip phones on OfferUp. So the first thing you want to do is go into your OfferUp account, and then you want to be very mindful or basically study and analyze one specific type of phone, whether it's iPhone 13s, iPhone 14s, maybe it's Android phones or Google phones. But ideally when you're first starting, you want to stick to just analyzing and studying the market behind one phone. So when I first got started with this, what I would do is that I would just stick with iPhone 13s, and I'll basically keep a track of how they sold, when they sold, how long they were on the listings on OfferUp, and how much they sold for. So I spent about like 1 to 2 months actually analyzing these phones and basically writing down, if I were to buy this phone, let's say for example 50 bucks, would it ever sell for 100 bucks? So once you feel comfortable and actually understand the kind of fluctuations in the prices of a specific phone, you can eventually move on to all different types of phones. But when starting out, I would recommend just sticking with just one phone to actually start off with, so that you're very familiar with the market prices of that specific phone. Now, when you're finally ready to make your first deal, what you want to do is actually place an offer. And once you actually meet with that seller, you want to make sure that you inspect the phone and make sure that it's in a good workable condition. One key tip here is that you want to make sure that's not locked on any carrier device or any iCloud device. So do make sure that it works and it's fully functional and unlocked. Next, make any necessary repairs and clean the phone up. Make sure that it's functioning again. The next thing to do is actually list it on OfferUp yourself. Now, when it comes to listing phones on OfferUp, it really helps to have a good lighting. So I personally use natural light. You don't have to buy your own light. Natural light, like the window you see behind me, is one of the best light sources to really give a phone a good quality, high quality image when it comes to the product photos. Product photos are absolutely huge, and with that being said, I utilize all the product photos. I think the OfferUp allows you like 8 to 10. Utilize all different angles when it comes to taking product photos of your product. And then lastly, what you want to do is price competitively. So if you buy your phone for 50 bucks and you plan to sell it for $100, make sure you maybe price it for like $150 so that you and the buyer can meet towards your actual targeted price of $100. Lastly, on OfferUp, you want to make sure that you have notifications on, because when someone messages you and you take a while to reply, that's kind of going to hurt your chances of actually selling that phone. So make sure that you have notifications on, you reply quickly, just because people who are actually scrolling through OfferUp, and if they message you, is this available? If you reply quickly, do realize that they're actually messaging probably multiple sellers to buy a phone. So usually the tendency is that the one who replies the quickest is the one that they're actually going to talk to. So you can beat your competition by just simply replying quickly and actually sealing the deal a lot quicker, rather than just waiting a couple hours to actually reply to them.